Hi guys, this is Cypress Real Tech Review, and here's a little mini review on the Tab S7. Now, this is the Tab S7 Plus, running with an 865 Plus processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage, as you can see right here. 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. And if memory serves me right, let's just have a quick look here. Yes, that's right. So 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Now let's close all the applications. Here's your little front screen. And swipe up to get to your applications, and swipe down to get to your notification panel. Now from here, as you can see, I'm using my trusty S Pen. From here, you can change your dark mode to light. Although I like it on dark mode. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. You can turn on your daily board, screen record. You can put your Dolby Atmos on. Turn on your torch. Turn on Dex is one of my favorite features. Dex is one of my favorite features. Nearby share I use a lot as well. Basically, you can share to other devices. Your eye comfort shield, that I use at night. Very useful. Now, a little trick that I've done, because some applications won't go into landscape mode, like the most famous one is Instagram, which now I can use in landscape mode, as you can see, is one of the applications I use to get my certain applications into landscape mode and continuously keep it in landscape mode, is this program called Rotation Control, if you can see it right there. I love this application for my tab. I use it all the time. So on the side here, I've got my Edge application. Okay, so I can open up 2 applications at once, as you can see. Now if I get rid of it, I got rid of those 2 applications. Let's get rid of this as well. Okay, and go up. There it is right there. See that? This is my task manager. So I can open them back up again. Bam. Let's get rid of them. Let's open up 2 applications at once again. So open up that. And open in split screen. And then okay, we're opening that. And then we've gotten rid of it. And we want to go back. Hold up, there you go. Right there. I love that. This thing has replaced a laptop, my PC. This tab and my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has replaced my PC. I use these both. When I'm not at my desk, and I'm using my Z Fold 2 as my PC replacement, and I'm resting on the couch or in bed, I'm using my tab again as my PC replacement. Here is the best bit. Now you've got handwriting recognition. So let's say you're in a place like Google search, and you just type it, tool. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Right? Now, how can you get to this? So you're going to go to settings, advanced features, S Pen, and find S Pen to text. So you're going to switch that on. So next time, yeah, you just write whatever you want. Squiggle. See that? Line across or across that. Gets rid of it. YouTube. There it is. Also, you can here in your calendar. So you can write. See that? Get rid of it. Hello. Space or dash. Get rid of it. There you go. So it works in the calendar. It works in your search for your settings. It works in your search for your applications. It works in your Google search. Where else would it work? Would it work in YouTube? Let's have a look. YouTube tool. It works in there as well. So I'm guessing that it will work in here as well. Maybe? No, doesn't work. Does it work up here? It works here. That's perfect. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, so it works in your internet browser, not in the Google search on the web page, but it works in your URL where you input your URL. It works there. Nice. So what we've established now is that with multitasking, you can have two applications open and then just click on them and it takes you to those two applications. So for multitasking, it's amazing. With an extra application like rotation control, you can keep your tab continuously in landscape mode. Your edge panel here, how to switch that on is you're going to go into your settings, display. You're going to go down to edge panels and switch that on. And from here, you've got all your panels that you can use. I only use one, which is my applications, which are my applications. Your handle here. So as you can see here, you can move it up or down. You can make it bigger if you want. Yeah, see that? It's gotten bigger. You can change the transparency. You can change the color. You can change the position from left to right. Did you see that? There you go. And you can lock it so it doesn't move. So that's your edge panel. So here you can edit this and you can add different pairings. So I've got YouTube, open in split screen, and I want Chrome as well. Okay. Now I want to pair these two applications for future use. So I don't have to keep on opening. I can just go into my. So what I do is, see these three dots here? What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on these dots and I'm going to press this button here. I'm going to add it to control panel, to the edge panel, sorry. Bam, there you go. So now every time I'm open up my edge panel, there it is, right there. It's open. Right. Not only that, you can change the position. You can switch apps around. See that? You can switch them up or down. So, I want to save that configuration. Or, I want to save that configuration. Or, I want to save this configuration. Look at that. I've got three types of configurations here. So I can open that. I can open that. I can open it like that. I've got my calendar. And I want to open up. Let's see here. My files. Where are my files? Okay. So now I want to open up that in split screen with my calendar. Okay. There you go. And I want to add this configuration to the edge panel. Bam. That's it. Should be here. Hold on, let's try it again. There you go. So next time I'm on there and I want to go quickly to my calendar and my files. There you go. So now here, say you're on this application. So like you're on your calendar application. So you got two applications open and you want to open up one in a smaller window. So these two little bars here, if it's highlighted blue, that's the application that you're using. Yeah. So I'll highlight that one. And then I'll open that up in a minimized window, small window. There you go. Now I can move that around. I'm going to click that. And I want to open it up in split screen. So you see that there? Bam. Opened it up again. Right. Bring that. Put that here. Want to minimize it now. What's that? There you go. Amazing. I actually love this tab. It is absolutely amazing. Bright as anything. Sounds amazing. I cannot tell you. You cannot begin to understand unless you own one of these. The sound that comes out of this. I barely use my TV anymore. This is what I use, either this or my Z Fold 2. So what you gotta do is to press the command and language button, and it will take you, press it together. So there you go. One UI 3.1 Android 11 with the new update, and Samsung are true to their word by updating every month. I can't recommend this tab more. It is worth the money. It is worth the time. Look at this. You can do everything. If I had both my hands, I'd show you more with this keyboard. But unfortunately, right now, I'm using my tab as my Z Fold 2 to film this. Brilliant. You got all your applications. You can connect it via USB-C to HDMI to an external monitor. You can go into DeX and connect it wirelessly. You can use this keyboard and use this tab as a laptop. So let's go into notes and see what we can do. Let's add something here. Look at that. Hi. How are you? See that? Brilliant. Thanks for watching. This is Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe for more video content to come. Have a great day. Bye.